So here's how you can potentially get free items on Temu without directly inviting others. It's relatively easy, but it requires following specific steps. First, open the Temu app and navigate to the homepage. Once there, tap on the U button located at the bottom. You'll likely encounter several pop-ups, but just dismiss them. Scroll down and click on the settings. In the settings, you'll need to change your country and region to the United States. So click on country and region. Scroll down and ensure United States is selected, and once that's done, tap the back arrow. You'll still be on the U page. Now click on the categories at the bottom, then tap on the search bar and type in a series of random, lengthy numbers. The specific numbers don't matter, so as long as it's a long strip, and enter search. This action should bring up a page stating something like sorry, can join us in some activity, and crucially at the bottom, it should say you can get actually free gifts. And go ahead and click on the free gifts. Again, there might be more pop-ups, and simply just exit them. You will now see various items available for $0. This could include LED light strips, iPads, or controllers, all listed as free. However, if you're looking to get these items without inviting anyone, the only practical way is to ask your friend and family to either contribute money towards a purchase for you or buy the item for you as a gift. In return, you could offer to help them with the tasks like cooking or other favors, making it a reciprocal arrangement. This is especially how you can acquire the items for free without directly involving new invitations. I hope this helps.